guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how to make garlic cream at home. This garlic cream is made up of 100% natural ingredients and is 100% effective. And this homemade cream is specially made to remove all your pigmentation, dark spots, acne scars and skin tags problem. This garlic cream is best to remove the skin tags and the pigmentation or hyperpigmentation problem within just few days, and will also help to remove all your acne scars, pesky marks, blemishes, acne and skin discoloration within just few uses of this cream, and will make your skin more crystal clear, bright, glowing, radiant and spotless. So now let's see what are the ingredients do we need to prepare this garlic cream. So the first ingredient to prepare this cream is garlic juice, and in just few seconds I'm going to tell you how to prepare the garlic juice at home. After that you're gonna need almond oil, then you're gonna need honey. After the honey you're gonna need castor oil, and the last ingredient which we need is aloe vera gel. So now let's firstly see how to prepare the garlic juice at home. And to prepare that, you firstly gonna need few garlic cloves, and now you have to peel those garlic cloves like so, and you just need 5 to 6 garlic cloves for this home remedy. After peeling the garlic cloves, you have to put them into the mortar and pestle and crush them really nicely. And after crushing it really well, now you have to strain this mixture with the help of a strainer, or you can also use the cheesecloth to take out all the garlic juice. And after straining the crushed garlic cloves really well, your garlic juice is ready and it will look like this. So now let's see how to prepare this garlic cream at home. To prepare this cream, you firstly have to take approx 1 teaspoon garlic juice in a clean bowl. Now you have to add half a teaspoon of sweet almond oil in this garlic juice. After adding the sweet almond oil, you have to add half a teaspoon castor oil in it. Then you have to add 1/4 teaspoon honey in it. Now you have to give a good mix to all these ingredients so that they all mix with each other really nicely and makes a smooth paste. Now after mixing all these ingredients really well, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. And you just have to add approx 2 teaspoon aloe vera gel in it, and then again mix everything really nicely to make a smooth, creamy and a fluffy paste. And after mixing all the ingredients really nicely, your homemade garlic cream is ready and it will look like this. This cream is specially made to remove all your skin tags and skin pigmentation or hyperpigmentation problem easily at home within just few days. As it contains 100% effective and natural ingredients, which works really great in removing your skin tags, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, dark spots and acne and blemishes problem easily at home. And the consistency of this cream should be smooth, lump-free, and it should be as fluffy and creamy as I'm showing you in the video. So now let me tell you how to store this cream for further use. And to store this cream, you're gonna need an airtight container. Here I'm just transferring this cream in this small airtight container, and you can store it in refrigerator for 15 to 20 days. So now let me tell you how to use this cream for best results. So you just have to take a little amount of this cream and then apply it all over your skin, and then massage it in circular motions. Just gently massage it in circular motion for about 30 to 45 seconds. And after applying this cream, just leave it overnight so that your skin completely absorbs this cream. And for best results, you have to use it daily, twice in a day, for at least 15 to 20 days to get radiant, glowing, spotless and younger looking skin. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.